Squirrel, the clever survivor of the forest. In forests, parks, gardens, and even busy cities, a small creature can often be seen racing across branches, leaping between trees, and searching the ground for food. This energetic animal is the squirrel. Although squirrels may look cute and harmless, they are intelligent, adaptable, and remarkably well equipped for survival. Belonging to the family Squirrelidae, squirrels include more than 200 species, ranging from tiny tree squirrels to enormous giant squirrels and specialized flying squirrels. Squirrels are found across much of the world, with tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels occupying very different environments. Tree squirrels are commonly associated with forests and city parks, while ground squirrels often live in burrows and tunnel systems. Flying squirrels do not actually fly like birds. Instead, they glide between trees using a membrane of skin stretched between their limbs. Some can glide more than 150 feet from one tree to another. One of the squirrel's greatest survival tools is its powerful set of teeth. Like other rodents, squirrels have 4 front teeth that continue growing throughout their lives. Constant chewing helps keep these teeth from becoming excessively long. Their strong teeth allow them to open hard nuts, gnaw through shells, and feed on a surprisingly wide variety of foods. The squirrel's diet depends on its species and habitat. Many tree squirrels eat acorns, nuts, seeds, berries, flowers, tree buds, and bark. Some also consume insects, eggs, and small animals. Ground squirrels may eat roots, leaves, seeds, and insects, while flying squirrels can feed on fruits, nuts, insects, and other foods available in the forest canopy. But perhaps the most fascinating part of squirrel behavior is food storage. As winter approaches, many squirrels collect large quantities of nuts and seeds and hide them in different locations. This strategy is called caching. A squirrel may bury food beneath leaves, soil, or other natural materials, and later use its remarkable sense of smell to find the hidden supplies. However, squirrels do not always recover everything they bury. Forgotten nuts and seeds can eventually germinate and grow into new plants. In this way, squirrels unintentionally become important partners in forest regeneration and seed dispersal. Squirrels also possess impressive communication skills. They use different sounds, movements, and tail signals to communicate with one another. When a predator approaches, a squirrel may produce warning calls to alert nearby animals. Rapid tail movements can also serve as signals. Predators such as hawks, foxes, and other carnivores make life dangerous, so constant awareness is essential. Reproduction is another important part of the squirrel's life cycle. Female tree squirrels build nests from leaves, twigs, and other materials, often high in trees or inside tree cavities. Newborn squirrels are extremely vulnerable. They are born without fur and cannot see. They depend completely on their mother during their early development. In eastern grey squirrels, young generally leave the nest at around 10 to 12 weeks and become fully grown at roughly 9 months. Squirrels have also demonstrated extraordinary adaptability to human environments. Many tree squirrels have successfully established themselves in urban parks, gardens, and residential areas. Their ability to climb, jump, locate food, and use trees and buildings as shelter allows them to survive alongside people. In some cities, squirrels have become such a familiar sight that they are considered part of the urban landscape.
Yet their relationship with humans is not always peaceful. Squirrels sometimes damage trees, gardens, buildings, and electrical wiring while searching for food or maintaining their teeth. In areas where populations become very large, they can create conflicts with people. At the same time, they remain important members of the ecosystem and serve as prey for many predators. Perhaps the most remarkable story involving squirrels comes from the frozen soils of Siberia. Scientists discovered ancient plant material preserved inside an Ice Age ground squirrel burrow. Some of these fruits had remained frozen for roughly 30,000 years, and researchers were eventually able to regenerate plants from surviving tissue. This extraordinary discovery provided a glimpse into an ancient world and demonstrated how squirrel food storage behavior can unintentionally preserve biological material for thousands of years. From the smallest backyard squirrel to the spectacular giant squirrels of tropical forests, these animals are much more than cute creatures with bushy tails. They are energetic foragers, clever food hoarders, skilled climbers, important seed dispersers, and essential parts of many food webs. The next time a squirrel races across a branch or hurriedly buries a nut, remember that you are watching a survivor shaped by millions of years of evolution. Small in size but extraordinary in ability, the squirrel plays a quiet yet powerful role in keeping forests alive.